sailing is the most sustainable way of going in the sea.
My name is Christoph Ballin. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Torqeedo. The cooperation between BMW and Torqeedo started with the integration of BMW's i3 and i8 batteries into our high-power boat drives of the Deep Blue series.
They are the most advanced batteries. That means for each kilos of batteries, we get the most density of energy. This is a key thing.
The ClubSwan 36 is the essence of performance in a way. There is no boat on the market that is so innovative, so sporty, so sophisticated as the ClubSwan 36.